Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Now today we want to solve this JAMB question. The question says solve the simultaneous equation x over 2 minus y over 5 equals 1 and y minus x over 3 equal 8. So permit me to write it out one after the other. So the first equation is x over 2 minus y over 5 equals 1. So let's call this equation 1. And then the second equation is y minus x over 3 equals 8. Let's target equation 2. Now the first thing to do here is to clear the fractions. Okay, so the LCM of 2 and 5 in equation 1 is 10. So I'm going to multiply both sides all through by 10. So when I do that, I'm going to have 10 multiplied by x over 2, then minus 10 times y over 5, then equal to 10 times 1. So 2 here is 1, 2 in 10 is 5. Then 5 here is 1, 5 in 10 is 2. So I am left with 5x minus 2y equal to 10 times 1 is 10. So let's tag this as equation 3. Then equation 2 as well, I want to clear the fraction there. I'll multiply all through by the LCM, which is 3. So when I multiply all through by 3, I will have 3 times y, that will be 3y, then minus 3 times x over 3 will reduce to x. Okay, then equal to 3 times 8 is equal to 24. So we can call this also equation 4. Understood? Now, but I want to rearrange this equation 4 in such a way that x comes first followed by y. Understood? So that it can go in line with equation number 3. So when I rearrange, I will have minus x plus 3y equal to 24. So to get rid of the minus, I will multiply all through by minus 1. And when I multiply all through by minus 1, I will have x minus 3y equal to minus 24. So if I tag this as equation 5, so I now have equation 3 and equation 5 to work with. So I'm going to bring them outside here. So I have 5x minus 2y equal to 10. Then that is our equation 3. Then equation 5 is x minus 3y equal to minus 24. That is equation 5. So from equation 5, I will make x the subject of formula. So it becomes x equal to 3y minus 24. So let's call this equation 6. Now substitute equation 6 into equation 3. We have 5 times then x, which is 3y minus 24. Close the bracket. Then minus 2y equal to 10. So when you open the bracket, you have 5 times 3y, that is 15y. Then minus 5 times 24. So 5 times minus 24 is equal to minus 120. Then minus 2y equal to 10. So when you collect the like terms, you have 15y minus 2y minus 120 equals 10. Okay, so let me take the numbers to the other side. So 15y minus 2y will give us 13y, then equal to 120 plus 10. So 13y is equal to 120 plus 10 will give us 130. So dividing both sides by 13. So we have that our y Yes, so our y is equal to 130 divided by 13 will give us 10. Now, to know the value of x, we are going to substitute the value of y into equation 6. And equation 6 is equal to x equal to 3y minus 24. So x is equal to 3y, our y is 10, minus 24. Okay, so x is equal to 3 times 10 is 30 minus 24. And then finally 30 minus 24 will give us 6. So the values of x and y are 6 and 10 respectively. So this is the solution to this question. If you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button, share this video and like. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye.